In this video, I will discuss really the only time I was ever, and I'll say ever, glad I had a screened bottom board. Go back about a week and a half ago, we had a massive storm system go through that dropped about 2 inches of rain in 30 minutes. Still haven't cleaned up all the mess, but winds got up to about 60 miles an hour. As you can see, they blew over my watering tote tanks that I collect water. And this lovely hive right here was the only one in the whole yard that had the lid blown off of it. I don't know how long the rain had poured down through this colony by the time I came in the house, because it wasn't too much before the storm was over, but I got down here, got the lid back on it before the rain completely stopped. We had a river running through the yard. Put the lid back on it. Next day I come down here, there's bees going in and out the front like mad, and I'm thinking, oh great, they're looking for a place to leave. Well, they're still here. I'm not going to lie. As you can see, I've already taken the weight that I added to it during the storm and the brick that was in it. Already took it off, peeped in there to make sure that it's even worth me going in. I was checking what little bit of sugar that would be left on top, because there was only a little bit of sugar still left from the rain on this side that just washed straight through. Well, kind of happy to see what I saw, but there is no sugar on top. But I'll just go ahead and take it off. Oh, and before we do that, here I am wearing a black shirt, no veil. I'm going to open these girls up on January the 10th, and it's about 50 degrees. So like I said, I'd already opened it up, peeked in there to see what I had before I decided to do anything. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 frames, possibly 7 frames of bees. So we're just gonna, well, I was gonna just grab this piece of wax paper, ease it down over the top of the bees. Take my bag of granulated sugar. And slowly put it on there. Got another chunk or two in here I need to bust up with my hand. I'll set the phone down for a second. And that's all I've done, is just added sugar to it. I want to add just a little bit of the sugar water with red cell and the essential oils to it. Looks like pea, doesn't it? Just to give it a little smell to get them up here. So we had basically 7 frames of bees in this 10 frame box after the lid had blown off and rained on for God knows how long. And still no. Guys, thanks for watching Woolly Bees. Hope to have the Facebook page and everything back up. It's kind of locked out at the moment. It's a whole different story. Do have a Rumble channel. Go over and follow me on Rumble if you would like. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.